Hi and welcome to my channel. I made some changes in the banners and in the channel name because I noticed that maybe too late that the people who follows me on other platforms such as Rebrickable or Facebook couldn't find me easily. This is the first time I made a video review of a MOC that is not mine, so first I will introduce the criteria that I choose for the evaluation of the MOC. First, originality or fidelity. It depends on whether the MOC is something new or reproduction of something that already exists. The second is stability. The third one is instruction quality. And the last one is playability. For each criterion I will assign 1 to 5 stars for a total of 20 stars. In this way I will be able to compare all the MOCs that I will review during the time. But now let's begin with this MOC. The designer is the user Tomasso on Rebrickable and he has, on his profile, only 3 MOCs, but all of them are very good. I decided to buy the Dash Render Outrider, that is an alternate of set 75-375. This ship is present in the video game Shadow of the Empire, and I already spoken about this ship in my previous video. So now let's have a look at the model. Look at this model. It's amazing how Tomasso catches literally every single detail of the Outrider. This is incredible if you think that this model is an alternative and he was obliged to use only the parts present in the set, not even one extra. This means 5 stars to me. What about the stability? This model is quite stable, only a few parts are lean and some of the angled body has a forced connection, but nothing serious. You can swoosh around with your Outrider without problems. There is another cherry on the cake of this alternative model, the instructions. The quality is stunning. I'm sure he didn't do them with Studio. I will ask him which software he used because I need to improve mine also. He also added an introduction page exactly like the official UCS set, and the part list at the end as well. 5 stars also for the instruction. Regarding playability, there is nothing to say. This model is intended to be exposed exactly like his father. But there is a turntable part that I used to make the turret movable. I wonder why Tomasso didn't use it. Maybe he just forgot it. 2 stars only in playability. The final score for this MOC is 5 stars for fidelity, 4 stars for stability, 5 for instruction quality, and 2 stars for playability, for a total amount of 16 stars. In conclusion, I can say that this model is absolutely amazing. It reminds me of my childhood and the hours spent playing Shadow of the Empire on my Nintendo 64. If you already have the set 75-375, I suggest you to go immediately on the replicable page of this MOC and build it as soon as possible. There is a link to the MOC in the description. This was my score for this MOC. If you have yours, please tell me in the comments, and most important, tell me if you liked this kind of video tutorial and I will make it more for you.